Are you looking for the best 60% gaming mechanical keyboard? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming mechanical keyboard for PS5 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Kinesis TKO 60% Gaming Keyboard. With bold and helpful features, the Kinesis TKO gaming keyboard carefully weaves competitive and ergonomic keyboard features into a single, awesome vision. Ultra-compact aluminum keyboard with standard 60% layout and modular triple spacebar. Maximum portability and closer mouse placement. Premium Box red mechanical switches with low actuation force and linear feel. Switches are plug-and-play so you can customize the feel of WASD or swap out the whole board. Customize the per-key RGB lighting with 12 customizable modes and edge lighting with underglow. 0-degree slope with pop-up feet for front and back tilting. Optional left and right tinting for high-performance gaming. Customize triple spacebar 2 extra thumb activation actions for gaming, typing or coding. Double-shot PBT keycaps, aluminum plate, hard-shell travel case. TKO keyboard, detachable USB cable, hard-shell travel case, 8 extra Kale switches, full-size spacebar, key switch removal tool. For ergonomic feet enable reverse tilt and tenting. 3-button spacebar. 9 onboard profiles. RGB underglow bar. Bundled carrying case. Number 2. Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless RGB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The feature-rich Corsair K70 RGB Pro Mini Wireless is a stunner and one of the finest 60% keyboards we've seen. The Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless RGB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is big on both performance and customization, connecting with hyperfast, sub-1 ms slipstream wireless, Bluetooth, or USB. Cherry MX Red mechanical key switches are easily swappable with any MX-compatible switches for a customized gaming and typing experience. Durable PBT double-shot Pro keycaps in an aluminum frame are illuminated by per-key RGB backlighting with a 360 degrees light edge. Corsair Axon hyper-processing technology transmits keystrokes up to 8x faster over USB wired mode. With up to 200 hours of battery life, the K70 Pro Mini Wireless delivers customized performance, no strings attached. Excellent RGB implementation. Hot swappable key switches. Included keycap and key switch puller. Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connection options. Compact and lightweight. Can create up to 50 user profiles via Corsair iQ app. Number 3. HyperX Alloy Origins 65 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The HyperX Alloy Origins is a great 65% keyboard for gamers looking to save desk space without sacrificing their wallets. The 65% form factor frees up more mouse space than a 10-keyless keyboard, but keeps dedicated arrow keys, page up/down, home, and delete keys. The aluminum casing keeps the keyboard structurally sound and stable, great for long use. Durable PBT keycaps that are resistant to wear, friction, and solvents. Functions are printed on the sides of the keycaps for quick recognition. HyperX key switches are balanced for speed and accuracy to help provide faster key presses with fewer mistakes. Get brighter, more luminous RGB lighting, thanks to the exposed LED design of the HyperX mechanical switches. Customize game mode, build macros, and set up per-key lighting and effects. 2-step keyboard feet allow for up at 3 different tilt angles. A detachable USB-C cable makes this ultra-compact keyboard super portable. A keycap puller, an additional escape key, and the special alternate spacebar design for the Alloy Origins 65 are included for additional customization. Excellent feeling HyperX key switches. RGB lighting. Compact footprint. Included keycap puller. Genuity app works well for customization. Number 4. Rockcat Vulcan 2 Mini 65% Optical PC Gaming Keyboard. Rockcat delivers a compact keyboard with tons of functionality, and an RGB light show that helps it stand out among its competitors. 65% mini form factor with arrow keys. Titan 2 optical switches with ultra-fast linear actuation. Second function layer via Easy Shift, plus key duplicator technology. Smart keys with dedicated LED indicate when secondary functions are active. Onboard storage for up to 5 user profiles. Anodized aluminum top plate for added durability. Cross-shaped stems with third-party keycap compatibility. Vibrant AIMO RGB lighting. Detachable USB-C cable for easy storage and customization. Lightweight and compact. Excellent RGB lighting implementation. Tons of functionality thanks to easy shift. Switches compatible with many third-party keycaps. Number 5. SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless Hypermagnetic 60% Gaming Keyboard. The latest SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini Wireless Keyboard is a sleek, stylish, and adaptable piece of hardware ready to grace your desk or local cafe, if you can afford it. The Apex Pro Mini Wireless is the world's first Hall-effect magnetic switch gaming keyboard. Featuring OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches with rapid trigger, total adjustability of actuation points, and 2-in-1 Actin keys for 20x quicker actuation and 11x faster response, all while playing on a compact, 60% keyboard. Adjustable, precise OmniPoint switches. Clear, colorful RGB. Compact 60% layout. Bluetooth profiles let you easily switch between devices. 2.4 GHz dongle uses a USB-C port.